Ever heard of a word that describes creatures that feed on dead organisms? It may sound unusual, but the word is necrophagous. Let's explore it in a simple and clear way. The word necrophagous is pronounced as the necrophagous. It is an adjective used to describe organisms, especially insects or animals, that feed on dead and decaying matter. In simple terms, if something eats dead bodies or organic remains, it is called necrophagous. This word comes from two parts, necro, meaning dead, and phagus, meaning eating. So together, it literally means dead eating. Some common synonyms of necrophagous include scavenging, carrion feeding, and detritivorous. These words all relate to organisms that consume dead material. On the other hand, antonyms would be words like herbivorous, plant-eating, or carnivorous, fresh meat-eating, which describe different feeding habits. Let's understand this with examples. A vulture is a necrophagous bird because it feeds on dead animals. Certain beetles are necrophagous, helping clean the environment by breaking down dead matter. In nature, necrophagous organisms play an important role in recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Imagine a forest where fallen animals are left untouched. It would quickly become unhealthy. Thanks to necrophagous creatures, the environment stays clean and balanced. So while the word may sound strange, its meaning is actually very important in nature. Learning words like necrophagous not only improves your vocabulary but also helps you understand the world better. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.